And we're back to Adobe Audition. Let me show you how you can fade, for example, in and out. In this specific case, I've got a clip where we already have a fade out, but not a fade in. How can we add it? Well, we have under favorites an easy option for fade in. But keep in mind, when you don't select an area, it's going to fade the entire clip. Usually you don't want to have that, so let me press Ctrl Z. And I select this short segment at the start. Let me zoom in and maybe like 10 seconds, something like this. And now I add the fade in right here. And you can see this works. Ctrl Z again. We have a second option, and these are these gray boxes at start and end. You can simply left click drag. When you drag it left to right, you'll adjust the duration. And up and down is going to change the behavior. So by default it's linear, but you can give it a positive or a negative spin for exponential fades. Same goes for the end right here. As I've said, there's also a gray box. And you could use a favorite fade out here as well. If you want to adjust more than that, you can use the specific fade envelope effect. You can see that right here in history. This is what we've basically used by using the favorites. You can find this under effects, amplitude and compression. And there's the fade envelope, and it gives you a couple of presets. Once again, you want to select an area where you want to apply it, or otherwise it's going to get applied to the entire clip, as you can see. So I'll select only this start point, go over the presets, and here are a couple to check out. If you're a beginner, I would advise you to stay away from it. The favorites and these grayish boxes are enough. But if you want to know more, there is this fade envelope. Additional thing, if you want to add a fade to a center position, you can just select a center portion and use the favorites. So once again, fade in, fade out, or use the fade envelope, so this effect. Let me do that. I'll select this part, and you can see we don't have a gray box, but we can go to the fade envelope, use maybe the pulse preset, apply it, and now this is applied to the center position. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.